This video was requested by Roman Z Boss 3.0.
Caillou, get the fuck up, you're gonna miss the bus. If you miss the bus, Caillou, you're grounded.
Caillou, what took you so long? The bell rang 6 minutes ago.
I'm sorry, Mrs. Patrick, I was talking to the principal about extra credit.
Oh, it's okay, Caillou. Next time just settle it before the bell rings. Okay class, today we are taking that big test about everything you've learned this semester. I hope you all studied hard.
Fuck man, I forgot about that test. I'm gonna fail it. I have to do something. I've got it. Mrs. Patrick, may I use the restroom before the test?
Yes Caillou, but hurry back, I'm gonna pass out the test shortly.
Okay, Mrs. Patrick. This is perfect. This is how I will get out of doing the test.
That's a fire drill. Kids follow me in an orderly fashion outside.
Is anyone in here? We are having a fire drill. If anyone is in there, they need to come out now. Caillou, what the fuck are you doing in here? The school is having a fire drill.
I was using the bathroom when the fire alarm went off, Mr. Andrews.
I don't believe you. Why wouldn't you just leave and go outside? Caillou, did you have something to do with this? Tell me the truth. Right now, Caillou.
Fine, Mr. Andrews. I pulled the fire alarm because I didn't want to take the final test.
Caillou, why on earth would you do that? You caused panic amongst the whole school, and you could get arrested for inciting panic. We're going to the principal's office right now.
Caillou, why am I seeing you back in my office?
Well, Principal Johnson, I pulled the fire alarm to get out of taking the final test.
Caillou, that's the final straw. I've given you way too many opportunities and you can't stay out of trouble. I have no choice but to expel you from this school. I'm not even gonna call your parents. Just walk home, you disgraceful fuck.
Caillou, what are you doing home from school so early?
Well, Mom and Dad, I pulled the fire alarm at school to get out of taking a test, but I got caught and I got expelled from school.
Caillou, I can't believe you got expelled from school. You're so motherfucking grounded. For 2,784,375 years. Go to your room, you waste of